Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Taiwan. I love to watch movies, TV shows, and listen to the music. Family and friends like to describe me as a person who delivers the joy and happiness through talking. I love to talk with people and make them laugh. But at the same time, I'm a very good listener as well. People feel safe and satisfied when they're sharing the ideas, sadness, or even secrets with me. I always want to be a TV show host because they can make more people to hear my voice and I will have the chance to make more people to laugh. I believe that I will be the best choice for all the audience because they're gonna like me and my lovable personalities.
I can see that